So as we move forward to the next model unit, which is the Abigail model unit, so it's somehow similar with the Julieta
yes, sir,
model.
Tama po. So si Abigail and Julieta are same layout na sa loob. Both of them are open layout. Ang pinaka-main difference lang talaga is the front design ni Abigail.
Okay.
Which is si Abigail kasi it has a full glass design and the touch of light brown color.
But when it comes to lot area and floor area, almost similar talaga.
Yes.
As in standard of 100 square meter of lot area and 135 square meter of floor area. As we've entered again with the house, it comes with the 2-car garage.
Yes,
diba?
Sir Alan. Same with the Julieta model, ganun din. 2 cars, kasya SUV and van, pasok na pasok siya.
And of course, right beside the car garage is the garden. So,
natin.
landscape na, naka-landscape na yan, diba?
And ito yung sinasabi ko, Sir Alan. So, ito yung pinaka-main difference niya from Julieta. This one is, it has a full glass design. And also, the color, syempre. So, yun lang ang pinagkaiba talaga.
Yes. Again, single detached din to. So, you have also the provision for your lanai.
Yeah.
So, this will be your lanai that has an access to your dining area.
So yun, pwede ka rin mag-set up ng tables here, gaya sa Julieta, yung chairs. Pwede kayo magpahangin or mag-coffee in the morning.
Eto, this is it. This is what we're looking for actually. So, etong very spacious na backyard nyo, you could, you know, have a chill,
pagka may mga event ka, relax. Ito yung sinasabi ko, you can have a table here at the back. May mga bisita ka, pwede mo silang patambayin dito. May privacy between ng mga dumadaan. Hindi kayo masyadong kita.
Exactly.